Guys, so it's the beginning of April and I just wanted to do a quick update of everything that I currently have growing. As you can see, if you've been following my gardening journey for a long time, you probably noticed that I don't have as many seedlings this year. There are some seedlings that I'm going to be starting in April, and then there are some that I'm going to be starting in May, but this is everything I had to start way ahead of time. In here, I have my onion seedlings. I have struggled with my onions, and I just think it's like a water issue. I think I keep like not giving it enough water, and then I'm giving it too much water. So this is my first time trying to grow onions, so I think I'll definitely have more lessons for next year. But I have my onion seedlings. I am giving them a haircut every couple weeks. And then you just keep going, and I'm just cutting them because my goal is to have like more sturdy roots. But that's what I have in here. My onion. Next year, I think if I'm going to do onions again, I'm definitely just going to grow them in blocks. Like, I'm not going to try to grow them in individual compartments, because honestly, it doesn't make a difference. Then I have tomatoes. I don't know, I think I had alluded to it at the beginning of the season. I'm growing these tomatoes because they're supposed to be like grilling tomatoes. Like they're supposed to grow like really big, and you're supposed to be able to like slice them and put them in sandwiches. That is why. I only need about one tomato plant, so I'm just going to end up either gifting this, exchanging them for other things that I need, or selling them. But yeah, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have way too many tomatoes. I only need about 1 or 2 plants. And next I have my butterfly peas, which is really interesting. So last year I had butterfly peas, and I had just grown it out directly into the soil, and it took such a long time. I think it took about 4 weeks before anything even came out of the ground, and then it was super slow growing. So I decided to start my butterfly peas indoors this year, and it's been very interesting because it's like growing really well. So I have, I believe, 5 butterfly pea flowers, and I really just want to make tea. I know I can just go buy the powder or whatever on Amazon, but I really just want to grow mine and see. But yeah, so I have butterfly peas. And then for my peppers this year, I'm only growing 2 kinds of peppers. I'm growing Nsuka pepper, which is my absolute favorite pepper in the world. If you've never had the pleasure of tasting Nsuka pepper, you need to. It's fragrant, it's just the right amount of heat, it's excellent in Nigerian cooking applications like okra soup, pepper soup, everything. So I'm growing yellow Nsuka peppers, and I have, I believe, 4 plants of the Nsuka peppers, and then I have 3 or 4. Yeah, I have another 3 plants of my red habaneros. So that's all I'm growing for peppers this year. In fact, I got so many peppers last year that I still have peppers in my freezer. I still have tatashe. I still have shombo from my last year's harvest. So that's all I'm doing this year for peppers, and you're getting reasonably big. My goal is, at some point, I'm going to try to prune 2 of them. So 2 of each kind I will prune, and then I will not prune 2. I just really want to be able to do like a comparative analysis of the yield that comes out of the pruned versus unpruned peppers. Next, I have scent leaf. I don't know. This year, I think I have struggled a bit with my scent leaf. And I think it just didn't, like, it wasn't warm early enough. Like, even though I had them on heat mat and I had them next to the window, I think it's just like usually by this time there's absolutely no snow on the ground. My backyard is still like full of snow. So I struggled a bit with my scent leaf this year, and I think it's just like a heat factor. But I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 cups of scent leaf going, and in each one I have like multiple plants. So I'm hoping that when they do get going, they'll get going, and I will not have any issues anymore. And then, last but not the least, of what I have growing right now is ugu, the plants that we all love. I have a couple that are up, but I'm still hoping to get at least 10 crops from the 15 trays that I have, because not all of them will come up, and ugu seeds will like start to like rot in the soil after they've been sitting for too long. So I'm hoping to still get a bunch to germinate. But yeah, that I have 2 coming up, And I'm still waiting on about 15 of them. So we'll see. Yeah, that's everything I currently have going right now. Hopefully, I'll show you guys some more when I have some more. Thanks for watching.